Alright, hello and welcome to the video. My name is Tyler Groves, here with my friend Spencer, and this is our A-stable multi-vibrator circuit with fixed output frequency, 600 ohm current limited resistance for an LED output, and here, time for the test. As you can see, it is blinking as it should be expected. Now to create this circuit, you will want to get a few materials: 3 1K ohm resistors, one 10K ohm resistor, and a 100 ohm resistor, and an LED, and a 100. I can't remember what that unit is called, but it's a 100 yuan something capacitor, and a series 500 chip, series 555 chip. So to start, we're gonna insert the 1K ohm resistor here, and then put it in series with a 10K ohm. And we're also gonna want to connect the 1K ohm to ground, and then put the capacitor in series with the 10K. Oh, I'm sorry, connect the 1K to positive, and then connect the capacitor to ground. Now we make the connections for the chip here. So for number 1, we're going to connect it to ground. And then for link number 2, we connect it to the series point, which connects the 10K and the resistor. Same goes double for number 2. And for number 6, I mean. And for like number 3, we're going to connect it to the LED here, otherwise known as the output leg. So you put 2 of the 1Ks in a parallel circuit, parallel to each other, and then you put the 1K, and then you put the 100 here. Series, that's all this connection, and then you put the LED in series to that positive. Be careful of the lights though, because the longer leg goes in the opposite. Yeah, let me show you. The longer leg is positive. The shorter leg is negative. You want to put the positive end in series with the resistor, and then connect the negative side, the cathode, to ground. Now that finished the connection, but then we move on to leg number 4, in which we connect it to the 1K ohm at the top here. 6 I already mentioned, and then there's number 7. And then there's number 7, which is connected to the series point, in which connects the 10K ohm and the 1K ohm resistor. And leg number 8 is connected to the series point, in which it is connected to the 1K. And it's also important to note these wires right here. If you don't have a negative connected to negative or a positive connected to positive, well, let me show you. It won't work at all. Or some. I guess the positive isn't necessary. Oh well. In any case, it's important to have the negative connected to negative on both sides. Now I think it's time we set the LS to make sure that we got 600 connected to here.
I'll fix it later. The last test you do, right?
Well, it's charging up in this truck.
It's shifting because I'm not sure what. Oh, probably the loose connection.
Oh my god, dude. I'm done with you. I'm a new partner, this guy.
Listen, the
First you took a photo. Video is a hard.
Not sure what the interference is, but it does.
And this guy doesn't even want to like be on the camera.
But it does recur a number. So never recurring to 600 or round up to. Alright. And I think that's all there is to the circuit. All you need to do now is connect it to the source. Anything else you can think of, Spencer?
Nope, I think you covered it pretty well.
Alright. Now let's move on to the schematic.